Hey guys, welcome to Drew tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Microsoft Office officially on your PC. So the first thing that we are going to do is to first open our browser. Now, once you open your browser, we're going to search for Office Deployment Tool. So once you search for it, just scroll down and then look for the first link. So just click on it and then you should be redirected into this part. Now, just look for download button and then click it. And then once you see it, we're going to click on open file location. So what we're going to do here is to just right click on it and then click on cut and then go here on your C drive and then just create a new folder and then we're going to name this Office 2026. After that, we're going to open the folder and then we're going to paste it right here. So we now have the Office Deployment Tool. So we're going to open it and then click on yes. And then in this part, we're going to click on accept and then click on continue. And then in this part, just look for this PC and then look for your C drive and then look for the office or the folder that we have just created. After that, click on OK and then click on OK once again. So after that, you should now be able to see this. So what we're going to do next is to open our browser once again and then on the search bar, search for Office Customization Tool. So after that, click the first link once again and then in this part, just choose your architecture right here. So if you don't know which one to use, just go into your search bar and then search for System Information and then click on Open. After that, you should be able to see it right here. So I'm currently using 64-based PC. So I'm going to click on 64-bit. And then for the Office suites, just choose your preferred suites right here or your Office 365. It's up to you. So let's say, for example, we want to install this. So after that, you can also add Visual Product and then other types of products right here. But I will just leave it as it is. And then in this part, just scroll down and then you will see this apps. So all you have to do right here is to just select the apps that you want to install. So let's say, for example, that we just want to install Word. So we're going to leave this on and then we're going to click on next. And then for the language, we're going to use our preferred language right here. After that, in this part, you should be able to see this export button. So click on that and then click on Office Open XML formats and then click on OK. After that, click on I accept and then export. And then so far, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. So click on keep right here. And then after that, click on open file. And then we're going to cut it once again. So once you cut it, go here on your C drive and then look for Office 2026 and then paste it right here. Once you do that, what we're going to do is to copy the file path of our folder and then go into search bar and then open command prompt and then run it as administrator. After that, click on yes. And then we're going to type cd space and then paste the file path that we have just copied and then click on enter. After that, what we're going to do next, we're going to type setup space / configure space configuration.xml. After that, click on enter and then this should pop up. Now, all you have to do right here is to just wait for it to finish. So as you can see, Microsoft is now getting ready to install the product. And then all you have to do right here is to just click on continue and then they should now install the product for you. So after you do that, all you have to do is to wait for it to finish and then you can try it right here if it's now done. So just click on open and then you should now be able to use it right there. So that is basically it.